Hey, what's up guys? Today we're unboxing a GMK Keycap set from Originative Company. If you grew up in the 80s such as myself, you probably spent your Saturday mornings watching Prince Adam, Princess Adora, and all their adventures on the planet Eternia. Probably spent a lot of your time hating the character that this keycap set is based on. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, I'm referencing Masters of the Universe, or He-Man Masters of the Universe, which was a very popular cartoon in the early to mid 80s. This keycap set here is GMK Skeletor, and it's based off of the main villain of the show. So let's take a look here at the product page. This is GMK Skeletor. There was two kits available. There's a base kit for $179, which is still in stock at the time that I am filming this. It is currently June 16th, 2022. There is also an enter kit available for $15 that has this neon pink, neon green, and neon yellow keycap set. Let's get right into this box. Before we do, please be sure to hit that like and subscribe. Thank you so much for checking out the videos. I hope you will catch all of the ones in the future. I didn't order this keycap set for a long time because I thought it was just going to be super bright and just not pleasant on the desk. But I got a chance to check it out. A buddy of mine, Dark Mode Media, he had it at a recent meetup that I went to. And since it was still in stock, I was like, yeah, I got to cop that. My 8-9-year-old self would not have approved of me not buying the He-Man themed keycap set. So this is hey, I gotta say, this is actually, I like the box art here. GMK Skeletor from Originative Company, Unikey Skeletor green on the bottom, this purple to blue fade with Skeletor's face there. Here's our enter keys. Let's get into this box and check this thing out. I always open them from the side because I like to try and keep my boxes in as good of shape as possible. I really wish GMK would go back to their old style trays, but hey, gotta deal with what you can get, right? I do like this box though. I feel like that box is good enough to display with that artwork. I know it's simple, but I think it's elegant and I like it. Right? Like I said, I'm a bit of a He-Man fanboy from way back, so. Well, it looks like the trays did get a little damaged here. Got a little busted there, which really sucks. I wish somebody would come out with plastic trays that fit within the GMK trays or boxes. Not too much shifted around this time. Let's get that label over there. So, as you can see, it's got a lot of purple and aqua teal, I guess, for the colorway here. Let's see, oh, it's stuck on itself there. So it's basically two color set. You've got the purple and the teal or aqua, or I don't know what you would call it. Reminds me of just, old school 80s neon colors that were super popular. As you can see, it has the crisp legends that we're used to for GMK. It is Doubleshot. All in all, I would say it's a good looking set. Gosh, the way it broke, it's just like sticking on itself really bad. It's a really good looking set. A usual base kit. You've got everything that you would expect in a base kit. So the enter keys here, these are the only accent colors. So there's a pink, a yellow, and a green. Hopefully I can figure out something that this set will match with, because I do really like these colors. Hope it's not going to be too difficult to find a match for, but we'll make it work. If I just have to buy a white or a black board, because basically anything fits on those, matches on those. Put these enter keys down in here. But that's it today, guys, for GMK Skeletor. Thanks for hanging out. I hope you liked the keycap set. Hope to see you in some future videos, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your week. Thanks. See ya.